Hi guys, welcome back. If you don't know anything about me, I'm a rare fruit lover, grower in Brisbane, and this is my brother-in-law's property, 2 hours west of Brisbane, on the range at Googa Creek. And this weekend I'm just going to be putting a subfloor and floor and hopefully roof on this little off-grid farm cabin. Cleared 30 acres of lantana at Christmas, and now everything is just growing back like crazy. Not lantana, thank goodness, but lots of weeds. Down that way, a few hundred meters, is where I'm going to do the orchard. I had cleared all of this huge slope here that runs all the way along the edge of the ridge, but it's very rocky, and access is going to be a bit awkward if I want to net the orchard. So yeah, I've changed my mind about that. So I've cleared all the way up here and right down over this ridge here, but nevertheless it had to be cleared anyway because it was lantana, and we couldn't even, now that it's all cleared, we get a nice view out over the into the distance here. So this was always going to be the spot that we'd put the cabin anyway. So yeah, I've got some mainly recycled materials, C-pines that I pulled down from jobs. Got some new red tongue flooring to throw in there, and some recycled insulator panels to put on the roof. So yeah, I'll start unloading and then waiting on my brother. He should be up here in the next half an hour or so with his truck, and we'll get stuck in and have somewhere to stay up here. Okay, got this steel frame bolted in and screwed down that end. So we're just about ready to start putting on the sheet flooring. Just throwing a brace on that end to hold the C-pine square. Later on we'll put one on the front. I didn't bring one up for that. One across the front, and this meter here we're just going to put decking on. We'll just cantilever a deck, and that'll be the room in there. So yeah, not too bad. It'll take too long. We'll chuck this flooring on and get started on the roof. Okay, so it's almost 1 o'clock. We've got the beams up and start to chuck this roof on. My other GoPro went flat, so I don't even know if it did any time lapse, but we'll see. So I've just got some more sheets here. Won't take us long, we'll throw them on. And I have a couple of sheets. I only brought up a couple of other small sheets because we're going to run them vertically up against the beam there and down over here for the walls. So we'll try that. We'll see how we go.